I dedicate this song to Nigeria, my beloved country, a nation blessed by the God of creation, a nation bound in freedom, peace and unity, a nation so rich in agriculture and other natural resources. How can I forget you, oh my beloved country? How can I forget the labor of my heroes past? How can I forget how they fought tirelessly to achieve you? Many lost their lives and possessions, even their loved ones, for your independence. Now you are free. Yes, you exist independently. Thank God for you. I make this solemn declaration. I will continue to serve you with love and strength and faith. I will not let you down nor bring shame and disgrace upon you. I will continue to uphold your honor and glory. I will keep you clean and safe. I will honor you and always love you. So help me God. Hey. Arise, O compatriots. It's time to take our stand to build Nigeria, where peace and justice shall reign. Avoid all misunderstanding and shun every war. Let us serve with heart and might our nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. Arise, O compatriots. It's time to take our stand to build Nigeria, where peace and justice shall reign. Avoid all misunderstanding and shun every war. Let us serve with heart and might our nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. Oh, 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 oh. Help me sing the song. Oh God of creation, direct and noble cause, guide thou our leaders right. Help our youth the truth to know, in love and honesty to grow, and live in just and true, with lofty heights attain, to build a nation where peace and justice shall reign. It shall reign. Peace and justice shall reign. O God of creation, direct and noble, guide our leaders right. Help our youth the truth to